Hello, inclusive hearts, and welcome back to How to Heal. Today, we're delving into the beauty of embracing diversity, exploring how it can be a powerful force that unites us, fostering understanding, empathy, and profound healing. Diversity is not just a collection of differences. It's a celebration, a tapestry of unique perspectives that enrich our collective human experience. Let's begin by understanding how to embrace unity and inclusion and how you can incorporate it into your healing journey. Step 1. Begin with active listening and empathy. When we truly listen and seek to understand, we create a bridge of connection that transcends differences. Step 2. Celebrate cultural diversity. Immerse yourself in the traditions, art, and stories of different cultures. Let this be a source of inspiration and mutual appreciation. Step 3. Embrace different perspectives. Recognize that each viewpoint offers a unique lens through which to view the world. Let this diversity of thought be a source of growth and learning. Remember, unity and inclusion are not about erasing differences. They're about creating a space where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. As you embrace the practice of unity and inclusion, you're not just fostering understanding, you're nurturing a world where every voice matters. These moments of unity and inclusion can bring about remarkable personal growth, transforming communities into beacons of empathy and understanding. Thank you for joining me in exploring the beauty of unity and inclusion. As you embrace this journey, may you be a source of unity and healing in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may be on their own journey of embracing unity and inclusion. Until our next moment of shared understanding, may you continue to be a beacon of unity. Thank you.